What's up, online shoppers? I want to show you this really great first aid kit that I just purchased. Now, this is my first time getting this one, so I thought we'd do an unboxing and look at all the stuff that's inside it. Because honestly, on any listing, the pictures just don't do it justice. This is 160 pieces to help you deal with any emergencies that might happen with the car, the boat, travel, camping, you name it. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Now, this is an all-purpose first aid kit. A great thing about this is the back of this kit actually details all the different things that are on here. So before you go digging through, you can actually scan through all the listing here to see what it is that you need if it's in here. It has a really nice hard plastic case. And the benefit is, if you use the things out of here, you can always replace it. Now, the latches on the top don't really fold up, but they do let go, and that opens up your first aid kit. Look at how beautiful that is. Everything is so nicely organized. They even give you a fundamental first aid instruction booklet, which is really nice. There is a little bit of a guide here on the inside, and it tells you all the different things, where you can find them. And if we look at what's in the first aid kit, there are layers here. You've got your standard Band-Aids, good usable sizes here. There is Neosporin for the cuts. This is a great one. This one here, this is like a greatest hits of what you need. Here's Benadryl for all your itches, insect bites, stings, sunburn. Pretty cool. There are several different sizes of Band-Aids here. This is your standard, probably everybody uses this size. There's also two other sizes in here. The small little circle patches, these are smaller ones to use. Here's a smaller size here for littler fingers and smaller cuts. Lots of smaller ones too. In addition to the Band-Aids, you also get these cleaning wipes right here. These are hand cleansing wipes. These can help to remove the dirt from the area that's injured, or you can use these on your hands to clean them up before you administer any first aid. You've also got some medical tape for taping gauze, some Tylenol packets, steri strips, and gauze pads as well for larger wounds. There are also some larger gauze pads right here, and this has two layers, so we can lift this up here and see the other things that are inside. Now, in addition to this first row of all these awesome things, you also get a set of scissors to help you. You get a stretch of longer gauze tape. As well, you have one of those instant cold packs. So when you break this, the chemicals inside mix and it creates an instant ice pack, and some larger Band-Aids for those bigger cuts and scrapes on knees and elbows. There's a lot of really great stuff in this first aid kit. I love the hard case. I think the little organizer right here is also quite excellent because it helps you to keep everything nice and neat. Now, the lid closes nice and firm, so it does help to keep everything all organized and flat and easy to access. Great variety and sizes of Band-Aids. The scissors are going to help in certain first aid situations. And you also have this nice little manual to help. I'm honestly super impressed with the contents of this little 160 piece all-purpose first aid kit. I love that there is a picture on the inside of the case that reminds you of everything that's in here. I love all the different variety of Band-Aids, the Neosporin, the Benadryl, and the Tylenol, so that you have just about everything you need for any of those quick little emergencies that happen, including one of the non-medicated ice packs that are just break and freeze. I can see myself putting this inside my beach bag so that I have it for any of those little emergencies that pop up. Very impressed with what I've found inside this box. Definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.